Hey Han, it's Robyn. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you ways to creatively style your braids. A lot of people don't get braids because they think that when they style their hair like this, you're going to have to wear it one way, and that is so far from the truth. I have really cute, super creative styles that will take your hair from this to something that you can maybe wear for a wedding, a 21st, a special occasion, or even to work. Last week I actually shared a video on how to refresh your braids and how to reduce that itchy type feeling that you get after you've just gotten your braids. So if you do want to watch that video, definitely check the link below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see my next video, because I do post a video every week. If you want to try any of these styles, let me know in the description box below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'm trying to grow my community to 1,000 subscribers. I know that doesn't seem like a lot to you, but to me it means the world. So if you do have love for this video and you want to see more of the things that I create, then definitely subscribe to this channel. So let's get into the video. Before I show you any of the styles, I want to quickly show you how I tamed my edges. I used the Design Essentials Edge Tamer, and then I also used an edge brush that Click sent me, and I've been loving it ever since. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.